There, we're changing the pressure switch here, and my cameraman is Daniel Jensen. Thank you for holding my phone down. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys. So this is the old one here. So this goes to the pump. This kind of hard over here. It's nice if we have a video on this, good video, because Dan is I never worked with Dan for a while. It's hard to get out this, Dan. Over there. Wow. There we go. Loose now. Shout out Rocky Mountain House, Daniel Johnson and Kylie Jensen now, Dan?
Davidson.
Davidson. Hi Kylie. Oh yeah. I just buried through right. Thanks, cameraman, Mr. Daniel. You should show your face there, John. Dan? There is a new one for your switch here coming. See hi in the Philippines, Dan?
Hello.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there's one nipple and there's a brand new. This one off. And where's the new one? So the old one was so close it's into the manifold, huh? Can't even turn because the pressure gauge is on the way. Yes. Easy Friday for me and Dan today. So make it right this. So the main comes from the breaker. Because it was backwards last time, huh, the old one. It still works, but I need to get the proper way. And then I don't know where did I put the nuts. The nuts is missing. Well, oh there. There's a nuts for that. Pressure switch 3050. Yeah, it was here before, this one, main.
Yeah.
So it was backwards for her to look at for the first time. There we go, and then down like that. And the switch on like that. Okay. Switch this over. Ground first. Every time you hook up the power, always the ground first. Ground first. Yeah. The ground first. And then there's line 1 here and line 2. So the black goes there. is right here. Always separate way, opposite side doesn't get shorted out. One like that. We still have one more. 2 more wires. Goes to the well pump. There you go. Tied it up this. Not too much. And then what I can say is always ground first. Hook up the power. Always ground. Now line 1 for the output is there. This is kind of working too fast, are we?
Yeah.
Line 2 for the outlet again. Wow, that was pretty cool, huh? Done. And the gauge, the new gauge, before we fire it up. I think this is a nice taken video, first time for my page done.
Yeah.
Because I'm always taking myself.
Well,
I'm gonna
you're gonna be famous, so you need a cameraman.
famous from the Philippines. And then we're gonna show the guys watching there, the gauge is gonna be coming up once we fire it up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel as well, guys. Just click on my page, there's a link there. Easy job for today. Me and Dan. Alright, we fire it up and we show you guys the pusher if it's coming up. So neutral, and then line 1. Alright. Close this and lock this up. Okay, turn the switch on and show you the gauge, guys. Turn this one before we forget. And the breaker was here. Alright. See, it's climbing good, huh? Blades on here. That's all for today, Dan.
Okay.
We have
And
pusher now. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you, Mr. Daniel Johnson.
no problem. Now everybody knows how to change the pressure switch.
Yeah, you did a good video there.